In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Display. Then scroll again to tap on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and apply one of those by clicking on it. If you wish to try something else, go back to Font Style section, hit Download Fonts, install perfect font for you by clicking on this icon next to it or tapping on it and hitting Install. Then go back and click on it on the list to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!